I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Kiran maths. We'll cover essential strategies to maximize your learning and achieve your goals. First, it's crucial to understand the book's unique structure, often featuring thousands of previous year questions. Next, prioritize building a strong conceptual foundation in each topic before diving into extensive practice. Finally, establishing a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 1 to 2 hours daily, will ensure steady and effective progress throughout your preparation journey. Let's delve into the book's structure and how to leverage it. Kiran maths books are typically organized with topic-wise and type-wise questions, allowing for targeted practice. Begin by carefully reviewing the solved examples provided. They offer invaluable insights into effective problem-solving techniques. As you progress, create concise notes of all crucial formulas, theorems, and shortcuts. These notes, perhaps a small notebook or flashcards, will become your go-to resource for rapid revision, saving you precious time during your study sessions. Now let's talk about effective study techniques. When tackling problems, always try to solve them independently before checking the solutions. This active recall strengthens your understanding significantly. Incorporate timed practice sessions, aiming to complete a set of 25 to 50 questions within a 45 to 60-minute time frame to boost both speed and accuracy. After each session, meticulously analyze your incorrect answers. Understanding why you made a mistake is key to preventing its recurrence and solidifying your learning. Finally, let's discuss your practice and revision strategy. Consistent revision of all previously covered topics is paramount. Perhaps dedicate 1 day a week to this. Regularly take full-length mock tests, simulating actual exam conditions, to assess your overall preparation and manage time effectively. A dedicated error log, where you note down difficult or frequently missed questions, is incredibly beneficial. Reviewing this log weekly will help you conquer your weak points and ensure comprehensive preparation for any competitive examination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.